Hi, my name is Kimberly Burke. I'm here today to present a design proposal for Wildwood Casino Hotel in Cripple Creek, Colorado. We've been working with the hotel to update their design. They want to incorporate the history of the area, which includes the gold rush, and they wanted a rustic modern design for the hotel. So this is what we've come up with. Our firm has taken over this project from someone else, so we are presenting you what we have so far. This is the floor plan, the proposed floor plan. As you can see, we have included several elements that the Wildwood Casino requested, such as a double-sided fireplace, and a large banquet meeting room, some admin offices, the break room, and an improved front desk area. So first we're going to take a look at our space plan for the front desk. So we have gone with this theme of canary in a gold mine. That a canary in a gold mine or a canary in a coal mine, they were both used. Was when the gold miners would take a canary down into the mines and see if there were any gases which might be harmful to the miners. So in that way, the canary took care of the miners, and so in the same way, Wildwood is taking care of their guests. So we're using that canary as a symbol not only of the history of the area, but also as a symbol of care and taking care of their guests. Also using a lot of wood tones to represent the mountainous area in which the city is located, as well as a lot of gold accents to represent, again, that mining history. Next, we're going to look at kind of the front lobby, more of this front lobby area. So here we're having, again, this rustic modern theme. This is an old mining cart that's dividing the two seating areas, just for a little nod to the history of Cripple Creek, as well as this large image of some actual Cripple Creek miners from back in the 1800s. It's kind of a modern graphic as soon as you walk into the hotel. And I'm going to take a look at the larger lobby area and the double-sided fireplace. So they have some beautiful full-length windows here. Also created 3 different seating areas. Again, here's a little nod to that, all these little gold touches. Here's a double-sided fireplace, which is see-through, as they had requested. They wanted to make sure there was some bit of a small business center or business area for the guests. So we have 2 tables here, which would seat 8 people total. Kind of a rustic modern chandeliers from the ceiling here. Again, another photograph from Cripple Creek in the 1800s that takes up this entire wall. So it's a nice large focal point as you come from the front lobby into this back seating area for guests. And then we'll just kind of take a look at this hallway and the elevator area. So here's the hallway leading down to that business center area. We have 2 more photographs from Cripple Creek, the history of Cripple Creek, And again, a view of that fireplace in this photograph wall. And here's the elevator banks to go up to the rooms. Again, with that kind of gold metallic detail in these tiles. And that's all I have for this. I'm also included or uploaded all of my FF&E that you can take a look at as well.